Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is on my iPhone. I currently have the iPhone 11 Pro and absolutely love it. I shared a video like this when I first got the phone, but I recently have rearranged all my apps and downloaded a bunch of new ones, and you guys always ask to see these videos, so I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys what is on my iPhone today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys like videos like this, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro. I think I have like the simple silver color, and then my phone case is custom. It's from Berga. I will have it listed down below in case you guys want to check it out, but it just has my name on it, which is really fun. It's just like printed on, but it's a really slim case, which I really like. And then my phone wallpaper is from Pinterest. My Pinterest is linked down below as well, and I have a whole board with wallpapers, which I will put in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. I will also put a little display over here of what is on my phone so you guys can see what I see. I don't have a password on my phone, which I get so many comments on when I'm out and people notice that, but personally I just really like it, and I think it makes it really simple and easy just to unlock it. But this does have the Face ID, so you can like hold it up to your face and it will unlock for you, or of course you can just have a password. So I do try to keep all my apps on 2 pages. I just think it's super simple and clean and very organized that way. I did go by at the beginning of the week and got rid of all the red bubbles, but they just kind of pop up, so I'm one of those people that can live with it. It doesn't really bother me that much, but I do try to control it a little bit better usually. So the first app that I have on here is the phone app, and I don't really use that unless I'm like calling my mom or something and I'm just like, hey, where are you, like that kind of thing. But I really don't use that as much as I would like to. I'm more of a texter, which I feel like that's just kind of normal today. Then I have my calendar app, which I use all the time. It's how I plan out all of my video content, and it's also how I plan out my workouts and everything like that. So it's just really helpful. I do put my homework in here, and I absolutely love using a digital calendar because it syncs up to my computers, and it's just really nice to have it. Then I have the Photos app, and you guys, I have so many pictures. It's a little concerning. I'm not even going to open it up because it's kind of embarrassing. I think I'm close to 10,000 pictures on here, and they're just all like photo shoot pictures and like random stuff. Then I have the settings app because I really do go into that app quite often to adjust my settings, which is kind of weird. I have the wallet, which is super nice because I have my gym pass on there, so instead of bringing the little card, I just use this app and it lets me log in. And then I have my clock, which I have been loving. I was just using the stopwatch because I put my eyelashes on and I like to time how long the glue's drying for, but I love the bedtime feature because I like to track how many hours of sleep I get. And then it's also just nice to know like how much sleep I'm getting, because when I reach over 7 hours of sleep, I just know I'm going to be very energized the next day. So that's been really helpful and just kind of helps me like make sure I get a good night of sleep. Then I have the Maps app, which I use every time I'm in my car, and the Weather app, and I like to keep those up on the top because I really do use those very often. And then I have the Notes app, which I seriously write down so many little notes in here, but that just comes with the phone. And then I have my reminders, which I make a daily to-do list in here, which is really helpful, along with all of my utility apps. So these are just the apps that came with the phone, along with my Bitmoji, which I love having a Bitmoji. I have that on my Snapchat. And then I have the Overdrive app, which uses your library card, and these are the current audiobooks that I'm listening to. I'm trying so hard to start reading and everything, but I just don't have like a lot of time that I can spend to really sit down and enjoy a book. So I've been realizing an audiobook is super nice because I like to listen to audiobooks as I'm doing my makeup or if I'm driving alone. I just think it's super nice, and the Overdrive app is free, and all you need is a library card, and I have a public library card, so it's completely free, which I think is awesome. You just get to borrow them for like, I think it's like 9 or 21 days depending on what you select. And then I have my Google Home app because I have a little Google Home Mini in the back, and I seriously love that. I always find myself asking, hey Google, what time is it?
It's 3:28.
Even when I'm not in my room, which I'm like, this is becoming a bad habit, but seriously love my Google Mini. And then I have my Gmail app, which is where I do all my Kellyprepster business emails. And then I have the YouTube Studio app, which is how I respond back to comments when I'm on my phone. And of course I have the YouTube app. I've been watching so many more YouTube videos lately, and I absolutely love it. I just feel so inspired with YouTube again, which is awesome. And then I have the WhatsApp because my best friend Maylise is currently abroad, and it's just nice because otherwise we get charged international fees, so this is a really nice way to communicate without having that for her. Then I have the Preview app, which is what I use to edit my Instagram feed. I love planning it out. I'll show you guys like a little example. So my feed currently looks like this. It loads all your previous pictures and then you can like move them around to see what like looks best. And I just think it's super helpful when planning out pictures. I definitely need to take some new pictures and add them to my feed. And of course we have the Instagram app, which is seriously so much fun. I love watching people's stories and following along on people's Instagram journeys, and I'll just like go by and like them and everything. And then I have Snapchat, which is just that Kellyprepster in case you guys want to add me. It's seriously so much fun and I love it. I love sending out a good snap to everyone, so you guys can feel free to add me. I do add back and I am trying to keep streaks, and I have a lot of streaks with a lot of you guys, but it does take me a while to get used to it because I have to keep you on my like best friend list. But it's seriously so much fun and I love Snapchatting with you guys. It's seriously so much fun, and I seriously have been obsessed with this little heart filter. I just feel like it's so cheery and happy, and yeah, I even got my mom hooked on it. She's like, can we take a picture with the heart filter? And I'm like, yes. Then I have Twitter, which my Twitter is just at Kellyprepster, but I honestly don't tweet a lot. But if you guys follow me over on Twitter, I'll follow back because I think that'll be fun to keep up with you guys. And then I have the Outlook app because that is where my school email is. Honestly, I don't really check it that often, which I know is really bad and I probably should get better at that. And then I have the Canvas app for students. So that is how I keep track of all my courses, the coursework that I have, homework, my grades, everything like that. Then I have Pinterest, which is my current obsession. I seriously am on it all the time when I have free time. One of my favorite boards to check out is the wallpapers that I have, because I save them on here and they're seriously so cute, you guys. So if you're looking for a new phone wallpaper, definitely check it out. But I also have some computer ones on here and I love saving these and using them on my desktop or on my phone. And then I just have my health category, which I use on the daily. So I have MyFitnessPal and Back to Counting Calories, and I really love this app. It's free. It's just really nice to keep track of what you're eating. Then I have the Xero app, which is a fasting app. I haven't fasted in a few days. It's kind of hard because like I've been going out later for dinner just because my school schedule, I have a lot of night classes. So if I go out really late, I'm like hungry before I go to bed, and then I'm like, oh, it's too late to do a 16-hour fast. But basically you just hit start and then it counts down and then you can end your fast and you can rate it if you had like a good fast or not. You can take notes on it. You can share your fast with other people, which is always great. I think sharing stuff on social media sometimes can be great to really hold you accountable, which I really love. And then I have the Treadmill app, which is a HIIT interval training countdown app when I'm on the treadmill. So I love that when I'm running by myself, especially at the gym. And then in my little dock on my phone, I have the Safari app, which I use so much. I Google so many random things. I have so many little tabs open. And then I have Spotify, which I have been jamming out. I have my new 2020 playlist and I listen to that all the time, but I also have been listening to my Prepster playlist like crazy again, which I'm just like back into that style of music, which you guys should definitely check out. I've been adding new songs to it, and it has an embarrassing amount of songs on it. I think it has like over 300 songs. It has 14 hours worth of music on here, which is a little crazy, but you know, it is what it is. And then I have my text messaging app. I don't know about you guys, but I love on the side of the texting, I'm not going to open it up just because I don't know what people have sent me. There's like an option you can have people's profile pictures next to it, and I love seeing people's profile pictures when I'm texting them. I just think it's so much fun. And then I have the camera app, and the camera on this phone is seriously so amazing because you can like seriously do like a super zoom and then like super close and super far away, which is just really fun. There's my cute little bear that I got for Valentine's Day. I love him. It's so cute. Okay, and then swiping over, I have all of my apps like kind of organized in here. So I have 4 categories on the top. I have my education category. The first app on here is my e-reader. That is the site that I bought all my online textbooks on and seriously saved so much money. So you guys definitely need to check it out if you guys are looking for textbooks. I think I spent $100 on 5 textbooks, which I thought was such a steal. I mean, they're e-textbooks, but I'm all for it. Then I have the Duo mobile app, which is what I need to log in to my online like Canvas site. And then since it's not compatible with my phone, I have the test flight app that goes along with it. I don't know, I was freaking out and the app store told me to do that. And then I have the mail app, which I don't use. Then I have my finance category, so I have PayPal, Venmo, and my bank. And then I have the eBay, Shein, and then my 2 flying, so I have Fly Delta and Air France on here in case I need them. And that's just kind of a category that I don't really use that much, but it's like shopping and then also like selling stuff, and then just my bank. On this category, I have my photo and video. I really don't use these as much, but I have paid for some of them, and then I'm like, I just don't want to get rid of them. So I have Afterlight, which is a great editing app. I used to use this all the time, but I don't really use it anymore. I think I paid around $1 for it. And then I have Facetune, which I think is $1 or $2. Again, I don't really use that as much as I used to. I just don't want to delete it yet. And then I have Lightroom, which I'm slowly starting to use. I'm trying to like make presets based on other people's. So I really have been into watching editing videos on YouTube, which sounds so weird, but I'll be like, how to edit like so and so, and then there's like a tutorial on how to do it, and you can save it in a preset in Lightroom, which I think is really cool. Then I have PixArt, which is a fun way to add like funky stickers and backgrounds to your pictures. I have the Hugie app, which is like a vintage camera app, which is seriously so much fun, you guys, and you can like snap a picture and then it kind of adds like a vintage effect to it, and I think that's so cool. And then I have the VSCO app, which I haven't uploaded my VSCO in a hot minute. And then I have the hashtags app, which is helpful when you need new hashtags to use on your Instagram posts. The entertainment file, and I have Hulu, Netflix, a Sudoku app, and Solitaire, which I haven't really played since forever. I just like having them on my phone in case I have some, like if I need something to do. I have the daily horoscope app, Tumblr, TikTok, and the countdown app. I have my 4 other apps that I've been using like crazy, which is Snapseed, which is how I edit all of my pictures. It's really nice. It's just like a really simple editing software. Then I have Google Drive, which I've been using for school, just with like friends and stuff to share files. And then I have Sell on Etsy and Etsy because I do have an Etsy shop, which is listed down below, and a lot of you guys have been purchasing my bracelets, which I'm so beyond grateful for. But this just makes it super easy to send them out and like get them marked as shipped and everything on my phone. So that is everything on my iPhone. I seriously love this phone. It might be my all-time favorite. And if you guys have any app recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always open to trying new things, and I love hearing from you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did, and I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I hope to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!